So earlier we learnt to expand out one bracket, and there's a little reminder of that here. When we expand, it means that we multiply whatever is out the front by each thing inside the bracket. So 2 times A makes the 2A that's over here. And then we go plus 2 times 3 makes the 6. All right, so we've been practicing that, and we even did equations with that. We're going to learn something completely new now, which is when you have 2 brackets next to each other and how to expand them out. Now, we're going to use a process that is called FOIL. Now, the word that's each letter in the word stands for something. So the F stands for first, which means we're going to multiply the first thing in each bracket together. The O stands for the outside ones in each bracket we're going to multiply together. I is for inside, and L stands for last. Okay, so there's 4 things that we have to times together. The first one with the first one, the 2 outside ones, the 2 inside ones, and then the 2 last ones. So FOIL is what we'll be saying over and over and over again. Okay, so let's do this for question A here. The first thing in each bracket is the x with the x. So to do the f, I need to do x times by x, which makes x squared. X times x makes x squared, right? Next, I move on to the O, which means I want to do the outside things in it. I want to do x times by 3. What is x times 3? 3x, good. Now they're all plus signs, we're going to go plus 3x. I stands for inside. So these 2 little middle ones, inside ones together. Times them. 2 times x is 2x. And finally, the L stands for last, which means I want the last thing in each, which is 2, which is this. So plus this on the end. Now, for most of the questions that we do, we will need to add together the middle terms. Remember, you can add x and x. So 3x plus 2x makes how many x's? 5 x's. So we just rewrite it and go x squared plus 5x plus 6. And that's the final answer. What do you think? Can we do that a few more times? Like a lot more times? All right, let's do it again. So it's first, outside, inside, last. And you can draw the little lines in there to help you know which ones you're multiplying together. So first means x times x, which is x squared. Then we do outside, which is x times 5. What's x times 5? Yes, we go plus 5x. Now we're going to go inside, which is 3 times x, which is, so plus 3x, good. And then last, which is 3 times 5, 15, so plus 15. Okay, just like last time, the 2 middle ones are like terms, so we can add them together. What is 5x plus 3x? 8x. So we have x squared plus 8x plus 15. Let's do some more. We're just going to do, this is the only new stuff we're doing today. Just this over and over and over again. Yes? That's right. That's it. Okay, so let's do another one. We're going to do x times x, which is x squared. Then we do the outside ones, which is x times 2, which is 2x. Then we do the inside ones. What's 1 times x? Yeah. is, yeah, very good. Some people would say 1x, but it's better just to write x by itself. And then 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, add the two middle ones together. What is 2x plus another x? 3x. X squared plus 3x plus 2. Yeah, what do you think? Anyone confused? No? All right, let's do it again. So we do first with first. X times x is x squared. Then we do x times 1, which is x, so it's plus x. Then we're going to do 3 times x, which is, yeah, so plus 3x. And then 3 times 1, which is 3. All right, add your two middle ones together. The x squared stays there, but what is x plus 3x? So these two middle ones are your like terms. X plus 3x is 4x. And then plus 3. All right, maybe we should have turns. You guys telling me what to do. Who wants to go first? Or was that too scary? No? You gonna go first, are you, Riley?
Me.
Yeah. It's good to go first because they get harder as we go down. Yeah, so x squared. Then that one times that one makes, what, 2 squared? 2. Yeah. And then 5 times x. Yes. And then 5 times 2 is 10. Good. All right, so then just add the middle ones together. Yes. And then plus 10 on the end. Good. Who wants to go next? Okay, it's better to go first. All right, go on, Ashley. X times, yeah. Oh, you did the middle one. Yeah, do the outside first. Doesn't really matter. 3. All right, 3x. Yeah. Yes, good. And, yeah. Very good. Nicely done. All right, Harvey, you want to go next? All right, so you're going to do 2x times x. 2x squared. And now do 2x times 3. So you do 2 times 3, which is 6. So you have 6x. All right, now do the inside ones. What's 1 times x? Yeah, 1x or just x. And then last, 1 times 3. Yeah, good. So plus 3. Okay, can we leave the 2x squared, but we want to add together the 6x plus another x. What's that going to make? Yeah, there's a sneaky one in here. So 6 plus 1 makes 7x. So go plus 7x plus 3. Sophie, do you want to go next? All right. 2x times x. 2x squared. Good. Now do 2x times 2. 4 and x. Good. Inside, 3 times x. Yep. And then 3 times 2. 6. So plus 6. Okay, now I want you to add those ones there together. Plus, because you're adding the like term. So you're going 4x plus 3x. 7. So it's going to be 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. All right, Kirby, that was you. Yes. And then 2x times 3. Yeah. And then the inside, 1 times 2x. Yeah. And then 1 times 3. Good. Okay. Add together your two middle ones. Yeah, so you have 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. Really good. All right, I guess I get the last one. So we do 3x times 5x. 3 times 5 is 15. And because there's two x's, it becomes an x squared. 3x times 2 is 6x. 1 times 5x would be 5x. And then 1 times 2 is 2. Adding together the two middle ones, we leave the 15x squared. 6 plus 5 makes 11 x's plus the 2 on the end. That's it. All right, so you've got a couple of pages practicing that over and over and over.